Hi, I'm coming back to you to do the second part of this video on maximizing your space on your desktop to declutter your desktop space. And again, I have finished with half of this at least. I lost my first video, so I had to do another one for you all. And here it is. We have the different folders. Again, we have one main folder, and I'm going to set it off to the side over here so you can see that's going to be the desktop folder. And what I'm going to ultimately do is wind up putting these folders into that one folder so I can have space to work. Let me open up this. I have 3 different authors in here. This folder that says new folder, I'm going to have to come back and put that author's name on that book. I do know the author and I can't recall. He's Stephen and I can't recall the last name, so I will look that up and then go ahead and fix that folder. So let me close that out and continue working on getting some of this stuff off my desktop. The recycling bin, I'm going to go ahead and empty that folder. 5 items, to go ahead and get that out of there. And again, we have folders like favorite pictures, February 14, 2020. We have the book folders, we have programs folder. In this case, it's the Excel. And so that talks about expenses and it has a Excel spreadsheet. So I'll come back and show you if you have any questions about creating Excel spreadsheets in another video a little bit later. We will have good information on that. So please like, subscribe, and share this channel. And remember to stay tuned. Again, we have our bills, we have our other expenses, and then we're going to have the calculations and how to keep track of your bills and your spending habits. Okay, so again, I'm going to close that folder out. We have our desktop folder, so we want to see what folders we can go ahead and place in there. We're going to take this folder, get it inside this folder, get it inside, and then once we get it these folders inside, then we will go ahead and be able to save a lot of room on our desktop. Again, we can sort by name, size, type. We want to do about type so we can see how much space we're saving. We find our main folder, put it back out here, and go ahead and combine some more folders inside of there. Then I'll come back later and fix these folders inside of that one folder, have them all organized. Some folders are important, so I may leave those out for now, but just want to be able to show you how you can maximize the space on your laptop. Go ahead and put the university folder inside. go ahead and put the home folder inside. You have to make sure everything is closed out at a time that you want to go in and compile these folders into one. So basically, this is what it's going to look like. You would continue on working on any of these folders that you would like. So if you have any questions or concerns, or if you have any different ways that you know about compiling and maximizing your desktop space, and even if you have a cluttered desktop and you need help with fixing that, if you have any questions, please post them below and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for listening. Bye now.